This is Dirt Bikes and More again, and this time it's a four-wheeler that I'm messing with, and the battery died on this particular bike from sitting too long, and I tried to rejuvenate it, I tried to recharge it, but it would not come back. So, with that being said, I decided to do some experiments with it. And what I realized on this particular model, if the battery goes dead, the bike dies. It will not continue to run like a car. Usually when you lose a battery and it goes completely dead on a vehicle, you can still keep driving. It's just that when you turn it off, it's not going to start again. This bike is completely different. When you lose the battery, you're going to die. And this is a you're not going to die. The bike's going to die, sorry. This is a 2004 Polaris Sportsman 500. So anyway, I got it running, and how I got it running was interesting. The battery was completely dead, and what I did was I installed a capacitor. That one makes it difficult. Let's see. Yeah, I installed this onto a completely dead battery. And if you notice, you see the light? Yeah, it's probably because the capacitor is so small, it's not giving enough electricity, just enough to run the bike, but not enough for accessories. So that makes perfect sense. I can understand that. But once I connected this, I used this little jump pack thing that I think I got from Amazon or somewhere, and it started the bike no problem, and it keeps it running. Now, prior to this, I tried to start the bike with a jump pack without the capacitor installed, and as soon as I pulled the jump pack off, the bike died. You see, like right now, I think what happens is it's consuming more electricity than the capacitor can give it. So it says hot, which tells me that the fan never kicked on. Yeah. So the capacitor is good, but I think I'm gonna need a bigger capacitor for this particular bike. This is designed for dirt bikes like this, and you know, they consume less energy. So I think, in my opinion, I don't know, I didn't put a meter on it, but it seems that way. Anyway, doing a little